know about you, but to me, there's nothing worse than taking your wife out for a romantic dinner on a rainy evening, only to get your arms soaked when they hand your order out through the window to you. What you need is a collapsible roof that attaches to the outside of your vehicle and then expands over to the drive-through window, like one of those NASA docking stations. Except this one won't be used for some useless science project. Okay, now what are we going to use for our collapsible umbilical docking station? I believe I have just the thing. I'm going to use the bellows off this accordion. I'm not a big fan of accordion music. To me, the only difference between an accordion and a trampoline is that you take your shoes off to jump on a trampoline. If there are any music lovers out there, you're welcome.